Good day everyone! Sharpe Capital is one of the few projects that came to the initial coin offering market with an alpha version of their platform. Later in the video I will show you how I tried out the platform, how it looks and feels. I have to say that generally the project seems to be interesting and certainly deserves your attention. The only drawback is that there are already serious competitors in the same space. Cindicator, Sentiment, Numerai, Enigma Catalyst have already shown how popular the idea of crowdsourced sentiment is. The main target for Sharpe Capital is to be better than its competitors. Well, let's take a look at what they offer. On the right part of the slide you can see the main features of Sharpe Capital. Artificial neural networks are used to look for patterns in financial data that are predictive of future asset price. Natural language processing integrates with social media channels, popular online media outlets to constantly monitor market sentiment in real time. Network analysis is used to group similar assets together based on their financial similarity. It is done to always run a well-diversified portfolio. Fundamental analysis makes it possible for Sharpe Capital modeling to be driven by micro and macroeconomic data. What is this project about? Prediction contributors on Sharpe Capital platform will be rewarded with ether for correct predictions of price movements. By combining users' predictions, Sharpe Capital is crowdsourcing sentiment. Project consists of two main components: financial markets protocol and investment platform. We will explore those components more on the platform slide. SHPs are the currency of Sharpe Capital platform. With SHPs you can vote, access platform, earn fees. Sharpe Capital is built using on-chain and off-chain solutions. What are the core uses of SHP cryptocurrency? Access to services and APIs for the purpose of developing quantitative trading models. Creating and voting on matters regarding creation of new funds, capital allocation. Earned service fees distributed in ethers in exchange for market sentiment toward global equities and blockchain assets. As always, the more users the platform has, the bigger capitalization of a given cryptocurrency. Currently, the majority of the projects have the same business model. There are two main components of Sharpe Capital platform. What are the main features of those platforms? Sharpe Capital Financial Market Protocol. Founders want this protocol to become the gold standard of hedge funds. It provides decentralized community-governed organization. All the important governance decisions are made by the community. Protocol includes Sharpe Trustless Ledger Service and governance model. Sharpe Capital Investment Platform consists of new quantitative trading model. Model is integrated with advanced statistical and machine learning analysis of microeconomic content, macroeconomic content, participant sentiment, news, social media. This permits the development of a high alpha fund. It means it will have the best risk to reward ratio possible. So let's try out the Sharpe Capital platform they have. So currently that's what it looks like. On the top of the page you can see the company we need to rate. Here are like the thumbs up, thumbs down, or we don't know, or it's not going to change. And you need to choose between those three options. What you think will happen with this asset over the next 30 days. And here are some articles which you can use while making your decision on this asset. Let's assume that TripAdvisor will grow. So some companies, of course, maybe you don't know this company, and this is why it's important that we have here different articles which you can use to create your opinion about this company. Nvidia Corporation, of course, over the course of the next couple years, only growing. The mining power needs to increase. So I think it's really neat, and well, it's really cool to use. Very intuitive interface. Also, there is a reputation score. I think if I made good financial decisions here, then my reputation score will grow and I will be rewarded with Ether for doing this rating. Crowdsale details. Crowdsale started on the 13th of November. 40% will be distributed to investors, 40% to reserve, and 10% to Sharpe Capital. Use of proceeds: 55% capital investment, development and ops 20%, marketing 10%, legal 10%, Ether 5%. 2,000 SHP tokens for 1 ETH. Once the sale is complete, there will be no new coins.
Not to miss my new videos, click the bell button. Thank you very much.